In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inner fender well on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Take the center cap off. We'll just use a straight blade screwdriver. And you can use a rag just to prevent any damage on the wheel. Using a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. And remove the wheel. Take these push pins out, use a trim tool. Take the center part out first, and the rest. Up here. Now take these screws out, use a 7mm socket. And remove this bolt, use a 10mm socket. And grab the panel, slide it down a little bit. Then you want to disconnect the wires. Use a trim tool and just pop these wires off. And slide it out. Slide this in position. And before we slide it up, you want to line these wires up again where they can go in. Get this one started. Push those in. Get the bolts all started. You don't want to tighten them down yet, but just get them started. Sure they're all lined up in the right spot. And before we tighten those down, we'll put the push pins in. Get those lined up. Push them down. Now tighten the bolts down. Now install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And go around again, double check. Take the center cap. On the back side, there is a picture of a valve stem. You want to line that up with the valve stem. And just tap it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.